In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to white label SEO services with Vendasta and how this platform can help you streamline your offerings without needing to build everything from scratch. If you're looking for an easy way to offer high-quality SEO services under your brand name, then keep watching because by the end, you'll know how to leverage Vendasta to scale your business. First things first, Vendasta is a powerful platform that lets you white label a range of services, including SEO, which means you can offer SEO services without ever needing to get into the nitty-gritty of SEO management yourself. Whether you're an agency or a business owner, Vendasta takes care of all the technical stuff for you. Next thing, one of the major advantages of white labeling SEO services with Vendasta is the ability to use their full suite of tools, including reporting, management dashboards, and automated campaigns. The platform provides white label options for everything, so you can brand everything under your own name, making it look like you're offering these services in-house. The fourth thing that makes Vendasta stand out is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with this platform. It's designed for businesses of all sizes to dive in and start offering white-labeled SEO services quickly. The interface is user-friendly, so even if you don't have an SEO background, you can still offer effective SEO campaigns to your clients. Now, let's talk about the flexibility of the platform. With Vendasta, you get the ability to customize SEO packages for your clients. This means you can cater to businesses of different sizes and industries by offering tailored solutions. Whether your clients need local SEO or more complex national campaigns, Vendasta's white-labeled services are adaptable to different needs. Next, Vendasta offers full client management, including automated reporting and updates. This means once you set up SEO campaigns, your clients can receive automated updates and reports, allowing you to stay hands-off while keeping clients informed. You can even customize these reports to match your brand and send them on your schedule. The best part? You can start using Vendasta for free right now by clicking the first link in the description. You'll get access to an exclusive trial that gives you full access to all the features. This way, you can test it out without any risk and see how it works for you. So, if you're interested in learning how to white label SEO services with Vendasta and take your business to the next level, this is the perfect platform for you. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive extended free trial. By the way, I've mentioned that you can get an extended free trial. This is your chance to test out everything Vendasta has to offer with no strings attached, so click that link and get started today.